All right, big day for Kaiser Bob today. Gonna get spun around in the driveway so we can start working on the barrel and the tiki and the carving, and I can finish welding the other side. It's the day that Nicole's been looking forward to for a very long time because she just wants to work on the barrel and the tiki. So
I want to work on the decor part.
So that'll be fun.
Excited.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop it down the driveway, put it on some rollers, spin it around, pull it back up. We'll see how successful that is.
Well, and I'm also excited to see how it looks on flat, level ground.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, Jeff and I have been talking about it, and it's like it's been sitting at a tilt for about a year now, and we've seen, you know, the change from it being high, down, drop down, low. But I'm so interested and excited to look at it down on flat ground.
Definitely. All right.
All right.
Let's flip it around. It's amazing how much garbage can pile up under a car quickly. We keep blowing it out, sweeping it out. But look at this.
Woo! Look how low it is. It's so low.
It's barely taller than you.
The thing was huge when we first got it. This is phenomenal. Woo! Look at that.
Look at that. It's barely up to your waist at the hood.
Look at it from the front, how low it is. Wow. That's
Look
awesome.
at that. Go stand next to it again. That is great. And how tall are you?
5'5".
So there you go.
Yeah.
Peak, it's probably 5'6", maybe 5'7".
You think? Is it taller than me?
It's a couple inches in the back. It slopes up back
Okay.
there, yeah.
Oh, it does, huh?
Look at that. All right, come back here. Let's switch switch because I have a picture with James and I standing next to it when we unloaded it when I first got it. So
Oh my
I'll split
God.
screen the two. But I want to say it was up like this. But
Uh-huh.
We'll see what the picture looks like.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is so cool. So cool. Walk around the other side.
That is so cool.
All right.
There it is. Sweet. All right, I love it.
So stinking cool. All right, so we got the Jeep spun around, got a little bit of garage to clean up. We're going to start pulling it in there to get it out of the sun because it's now going to be 100 until October, and we don't want to deal with that. And it'll also allow us to work later into the night and actually record, so I can turn lights on in the garage and be able to do that. But important fun thing is that we're now going to be able to get the barrel in place. Need to notch it, lift it, set it up a little bit in the bed, and then fabricate some mounting points for it. But this was the vision with this whole truck when I first saw it, because it was a welding rig initially when it was in military service, and when it was decommissioned they just torched all that out, and to find another bed is going to be impossible. It's all flat metal. I could have built one, but that's boring. Let's make a giant rum barrel instead. Also, this isn't the right size, but these areas here are going to be filled in with carved wood, and in this space on this side is going to be a stack of bamboo. It'll go up to about here, cut here. On the other side I'm going to carve a tiki and put him in there. And I'm also thinking I'm going to put a flame poofer in here, so we'll be able to some flames out of the top of it when it shows and things like that. So what I'm going to do now is flip over to time lapse and start to cut some of the stuff apart. All right, here we are. This looks sweet. Right at the bottom of the frame. So that'll continue across a little piece of wood filler right here into the fender flare that I need to add on to. Piece of angle iron to hold it on each side. And like I said, wood trim filling this area in here. But damn, this is going to be cool. Ratchet strap has it nice and level. Don't care how much it interferes into the bed because not probably using this to haul 4x8s too much anyway. But I have rum painted right here, little spigot that may or may not distribute rum out at stuff. You never know. And then I got to fill in some metal in that area to give it a little bit more support, and a couple more brackets in there for support. Make sure it doesn't fall out at any point in time, but man, is that cool. All right, I'm going to start cutting this down to fit in this space here. You guys, can we talk about how cool this is? If I could run wood stacks, I probably would. Holy cow. Digging this so much. Lots of supports to go in here yet. So we can see through to the floor, but I will, like I said, run this all the way across, more brackets all the way around. But that is cool. That rope is dead. I need to find another way to attach all those together. But man, I'm stoked. Need to space them out a little bit more to fill in a little bit more of this gap right here. But holy cow. Just move it over. Nearly problem solved there. Look at that. All right, that's it. It's super hot today. I got to wrap this up. I got stuff to do tonight where I can't be exhausted from working out here all day. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think. Tell me what I should add in here. But man, I'm stoked. This is going to be cool. Thanks.